improves truck reliability, operating efficiency, and driving comfort overall. Product advantages. Key parts and components are more reliable. The truck has better bearing capacity and reliability. Lifting and driving performances are better. Safety and reliability. The strength of frame and mast are increased, and the safety factor is 1.6 times increased. The heat dissipation performance of the whole truck has been improved by 15%, and the service life of key components has been greatly improved. Electrical system protection level has been upgraded overall. Lamp protection level IP67. Drive axle, half axle oil seal, and high pressure rubber pipe seal performance are improved. Comfortable operation. Widening seat. Steering wheel with more diameter and integrated control handle greatly reduce the intensity of operation. 20% increase the access and egress space, and 20% increase to master view make option more comfortable. Limit smart buffering makes operation silent and comfortable, lowering buffering. Energy saving. Load optimization of axle reduces 5% of the oil consumption to the most. Pipeline system optimization reduces 30% of system pressure loss. LED lighting system reduces energy consumption of lighting. Convenient maintenance. Improved front and rear axles reduce maintenance frequency. Backlight of instrument and fault code display facilitate maintenance. The opening angle of the hood reaches to 80 degrees, enlarging maintenance space.